3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone, welcome to CADNest. So CADNest is an ISO 9001-2015 certified institute. So CADNestally we teach number of courses like CAD courses, IT courses, animation courses, graphic designing, spoken English, handwriting, speed writing, and also we teach some more classes like accounting courses, SAP, digital marketing, and so on. We have 5 branches in Bangalore, that is CADNest RAJAJINAGAR, CADNest BASAVANAGUDI, CADNest SHESHADRIPURAM, CADNest MALLESHWARAM, and also CADNest RAJARAJESWARI Nagar. So in this workshop, we will be going to deal about Catia software. So what basically is Catia? So Catia is nothing but it's a computer aided 3-dimensional interactive application which is called as CAD software, used for designing 3D models and also for assembling the parts. And this workshop is intended to provide an introduction to the interface and features of Catia relevant to 3D modeling and part assembly. That will in turn provide a solid foundation for exploring more advanced topics. Each section of this workshop will remain the relevant toolbars and feature followed by examples which will be worked through step by step by the instructor. So before going to Catia software, let me know some basics. Basics like CAD, CAM and CAE. So what is CAD, what is CAM and what is CAE? CAD is nothing but it's a use of computer software in order to design our product or an object. So basically the elaboration form of CAD is computer aided design. We'll be using our computer software, for example AutoCAD, Catia, SolidWorks, Creo, NXCAD. These types of softwares we'll be using and we'll be designing our component. So next coming to CAM. So what is CAM? Elaboration form is computer aided manufacturing. So it is the use of computer software and also hardware to plan, manage and control the operations of a manufacturing plant. So manufacturing is nothing but generating G codes, M codes like milling, drilling, etc. So these types of CNC works or else computer numerical control works will be done with the help of computer aided manufacturing software. So example for these are Mastercam, Delcam, Nastron, NXCam and so on. So next coming to CAE. CAE is nothing but computer aided engineering. So computer aided engineering, it is a use of software to solve engineering problems and also analyze the products created using CAD. Here the products that are developed with the help of CAD softwares, those components will be imported to CAE softwares, and here the analysis work will be carried out. That is, the component will be subjected to real case loadings, for example stress, strain and also what are the thermal conditions it will be exposed to. So these conditions will be applied on a component and analysis of a product will be done in order to know the stability of a component. Then coming to selection of CAD softwares. So selection of CAD software basically depends on the application or the purpose. For example, accuracy, cost of license, user interface and also the market usage. So coming to Catia software, it has high market usage and also cost of license is almost okay, and user interface is quite difficult but it is highly accurate. Then what is CATIA? So CATIA stands for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. So it is one of the leading 3D software used by organizations in multiple industries ranging from aerospace, automobile to consumer products. So CATIA is a multi-platform 3D software suite developed by a Dassault system. The company name is Dassault system, encompassing CAD, CAM as well as CAE. That is, under CATIA software we can learn all the three, that is CAD, CAM and also CAE. Design, manufacturing and analysis. So coming to the history of CATIA. So in the early stages, CATIA was extensively used in the design of Mirage aircrafts. So basically CATIA software is used for aircraft designs. However, the potential of the software soon made it popular choice in automotive sector as well. As CATIA was accepted by more and more manufacturing companies, Dassault changed the product classification from CAD/CAM software to product lifecycle management. The company also expanded the scope of a software. Then CATIA comes with different workbenches, that is we call it as modules, that allow CATIA to be used across varied industries, from part design, surface design, assembly design, sheet metal design, drafting, and it can also be used for CNC, that is nothing but computer aided manufacturing works. So let us see one by one. The first thing is part design. So what is part design? The most essential workbench of solid modeling is part design. CATIA module makes it possible to design precise 3D mechanical parts with a intuitive and flexible user interface, from sketching in an assembly context to iterative detailed designing. So this paragraph tells that the most essential workbench under part solid modeling is nothing but part design. So here we will be designing the parts separately, that is individually we will be designing our parts, for example nuts, bolts, washers and external bodies, internal complicated structures, everything we can design with the help of part design. Then later we will be going with the assembly design. After designing our parts, we'll be going with assembly. So next comes the assembly. So in this figure you can see a simple shock absorber mechanism and also a handlebar mechanism. So here the spring, the fasteners, that is nuts and bolts, or else the body, the attachment, everything is designed with the help of part design, that is individually the designs will be done, then later those individual particles will be done with the assembly environment. So the basics of product structure constraints and moving assemblies and parts can be learned quickly. This is the workbench that allows connecting all the parts to form a machine or a component. As I said, the parts that are designed under part design will be carried with assembly environment, and then the assembly will be done here. The next coming to generative shape design. So parts that cannot be designed under the part design, that is the intricate shapes or as a complex shape design, those things can be done with the help of shape design. So under shape design we will be using wireframe and surface features. It provides a large set of tools for creating and editing shape designs. Though not essential, knowledge of part design will be very handy in better utilization of this module. That is, if you are best with your part design, then you can deal very smoothly with the generative shape design. The next coming to generative sheet metal design. So in this example itself you can understand what is sheet metal design. So here you can see a simple CPU cabinet and a ventilation cabinet have placed here. So this whole body is done with the help of sheet metal design. It enables users to perform associative features based modeling, making it possible to design sheet metal parts in concurrent engineering between the unfolded and folded part representation. The parts that are designed with the help of sheet metal design can also be unfolded and it can also be folded once again, so that we will be getting a proper development shape. Development shape is nothing but a proper amount of material that is required in order to design a particular component. That is the optimized material. The next comes the real-time rendering. So rendering is nothing but converting our 3D models. Either it may be part design, assembly design, sheet metal design, or it can also be wireframe or surface design, or as the shape design. Everything can be rendered and it can be taken it into a realistic view. The rendering is nothing but converting our 3D model into a realistic rendering part with the help of mapping materials onto the parts. So this workbench enables users to define material specification that will be shared across the whole product development process while mapping materials onto parts and products to produce realistic rendering. So here you can see a simple component, that is a simple gypsy over here. This things is done with the help of part modeling. Then later it had been carried through assembly design. Then later the material has been mapped and realistic rendering has been taken out. The next comes drafting. So drafting is nothing but converting our 3D model into a 2D drawing. So generative drafting workbench enables user generate drawings from 3D parts and assembly definitions. So this is nothing but converting our 3D models into 2D drawings. Either it may be part design, sheet metal design, surface design, or it can also be sheet metal design. Then coming to job opportunities from learning Catia software. So Catia software is basically used in almost all the industries, that is all the design and manufacturing industries. Under this, the common industries that are used are aerospace, automotive, battery manufacturing, crane industries, fiber industries, marine industry, oil and gas, wind energy, tire industry, agricultural machinery, manufacturing, and also consumer product design. So these are all the vast industries where Catia software is used. Now let us see some examples of part design and assembly design. So here you can see a simple example over here. This is nothing but a simple roll cage which is formed with the help of shape design and also a simple wireframe structure. Coming to next example, I'll be showing a simple rim feature which is used in simple cars, or else it can also be taken to heavy vehicles also. Here you can see a simple rim over here which is designed under the Catia software. And at the top left side you can see this feature, it is called as part tree. Over here you can see what are all the commands used under Catia in order to design this simple rim feature. I'll be showing you some more examples in this session. So this feature here you can see a simple twisted or a helical stand feature, or as it may be used as a simple wall also. Simple vase, sorry. This feature also, it has been designed with the help of Catia software itself. It can be used as simple vase, a pen stand, or else it can be taken as wall hangings, whatever it might be. So consumer product design, machinery designs, automotive design, aerospace design, everything can be done with the help of Catia software. And here you can see a simple aeroplane structure that is designed with the help of Catia software. A 3D view of our aeroplane structure where it comprises of the turbine, wings, tails, everything. And coming to some more examples, I'll be showing you a simple disc part. Disc is nothing but a brake part, disc brake part. So where it is designed with the help of Catia software. So these things and all come under Catia design, that is part design. Then coming to assembly design. Assembly design is nothing but combination of all the parts in order to produce a overall component or as a final component. So here I'll be showing you the simple stop wall assembly where a single components are all combined together in order to get a final component over here. So these types of part design and assembly designs can be done with the help of Catia software. You can see the 3D view, and also I'll be showing you some more examples here. I'll be showing ball valve mechanism or as the ball valve assembly, where it can be used in flow control, water control, oil control, everything. So it's a 3D view of a ball valve assembly. You can view in number of ways. You can go through wireframe structure. You can add material for this in order to get a rendering, and you can go through solid shading, everything. And I'll be showing you one more example, that is a simple quadcopter design done with the help of Catia software. So this quadcopter, that is a 3D model of quadcopter, is done with Catia software itself. Each single component has been designed with the help of part design, and also these components have been assembled with the help of assembly work environment. I'll be showing you a simple rendering over here, how it will look. So shading with material looks like this. This design is done with the help of Catia, and we'll be going with a simple rendering over here. I'll show you how the 3D model will be converted into a realistic image. So I'll be selecting particular area and I'll be defining a quality over here. Let me define a medium quality. Okay. Then let me later go for rendering. This feature it takes some time. See, that is the 3D model that is done with the help of Catia software will be converted. By that time I'll be showing you some examples also, that is the projects done by our CADD students. Be online, it's taking some time. I'll show you. And here you can see the projects that are done with the help of Catia softwares, SolidWorks as well as NX CAD also. These things are all done with these things are all done by students itself. So by enrolling to this software, you can improve your design skills and also you'll be getting a better idea of designs, that is mechanical design or as the part design, and also you'll be getting a free software and also with free installation. Along with this, you will be provided with free work material, and you can see the examples over here. A simple bobcat model, a gypsy model. So these things are all designed with the help of CAD softwares. Then later these softwares are all taken out the realistic rendering models. Yeah, so this is about the workshop on Catia softwares. For more information, you can contact our team, that is CADNest RAJAJINAGAR, CADNest BASAVANAGUDI, CADNest SHESHADRIPURAM, CADNest MALLESHWARAM, and also the CADNest RAJAJINAGAR. You can get all the updates regarding the CAD courses, accounting courses, IT courses, digital marketing, spoken English, handwriting, speed writing, SAP, digital marketing, and so on. So this is about Catia workshop. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. So let us meet in a next workshop. Thank you so much.